Hey, this is James Pelton, and I have a friend who built these glance LED panels, and I've basically it's just a way to show you the price of different assets that you hold. And first off, this is very cool. Second off, it's a good conversation starter for other people. You know, you start getting them to talk about crypto a little bit. And then third off, this is the best one. I've tried a whole bunch of these. This is the third one that I've tried. But this is by far the easiest to get set up and the coolest and the most customizable. So I kind of want to just show you exactly how it works, how you get it set up. And then you can decide if it's something that you might want. It's a great thing to send to people as a gift idea for you. That's what I did for Christmas last year. I got two of them from two different people because I just said, hey, I'd love one of these. But yeah, it's just a cool way to stay excited about your assets, especially as, you know, assets are up right now. So I basically had my LED panel turned off for the whole bear market while everything was going down. But now, you know, on days where it's in the green, I keep it on. And keep it somewhere where I can see it. Just makes you excited. So let me go ahead. I'm going to do an unboxing, and then I'll kind of show you how to get it set up and then how you can get one if you would like. Hey, I just received my glance board in the mail. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and kind of show you how it works. All right, so this is the device, this is the power cord, this is the get started, and usually getting these things set up is the hard part. I actually have a whole bunch of these. I have like 3 others, but this one comes with a QR code to get started, so we'll see how easy it is to get set up. All right, so for all these other tickers that I've gotten, I actually had to like program them. You have to go into the source code and change the code, and it's very confusing. It takes a lot of work. So this one, when you go to the URL for the QR code, it says set up your glance in under 2 minutes with no coding required, so that's good. So step 1 is you need to plug it in.
So step 1 is going to plug it in to the power, plug it into the back here. Step 1, glance LED.
All right, and then after plugging it in, step 2 is you need to connect to the glance LED Wi-Fi, and I could not get it to work on my computer, but I was able to get it to work on my mobile phone, and then the password that you type in is to the moon. So just on your phone, connect to Wi-Fi and connect to the glance LED with the password to the moon. All right, so then on your phone, you're going to just connect to the Wi-Fi into glance LED, and then the password is to the moon with no spaces and no capital letters or anything like that. Then you're going to give it just a second to connect here. Okay, then it connects, and then should pop up this menu here where you're going to do configure Wi-Fi. Then when you click that, you'll actually just want to connect to your regular home Wi-Fi. For me, it's Pelton. You can see I'm real creative with my naming, but then your regular Wi-Fi password, then click save. Then you give that a minute. Okay, then it's saved and you are all done on your phone. All right, so once you get connected to the board and you get your Wi-Fi set up, the MAC address will show up on the screen. And then you're going to choose the assets that you want to put on the glance board. So you're going to go to this website. Again, you can use the QR code if you want there. But then you need to type in the device MAC address. Then you can choose which assets that you want to add. So you can do stocks, you can do crypto, you can do NFTs. I think, and they don't have every crypto, so I think you can contact and have him add more manually. But for example, I'm going to just start with Bitcoin. Just because that kind of tells you what the price of the whole market is going to be. And then I'm going to do Ethereum because that's, you know, kind of the secondary one. Then I'm going to do, is Drip on here? Drip. Okay, good. So I'll show Drip as, you know, that's my biggest holding. Then I do have a lot of stocks. So I just want to show, I think this will probably show just like the Dow Jones in general. And then because of my miners, I want to do KDA, see that price. Hopefully it goes up. And then the last one I'm going to do is DAG. And I would do BioFi, but they don't actually have that one, so can't do that one. But so you put in these here, put in the MAC address that is on the screen, and then you're going to click the update button. All right, so this is my office. You might recognize that, but this is where I decided I'm going to put it for the time being. My wife is more of an interior decorator. She might have a different idea. But yeah, very cool. Super easy to get set up compared to the other ones. So I have there, yeah, DAG, 12 cents up 3.64%. Bitcoin's up to 23,870. So this will be great. Now when I'm just walking by my office, I can be thinking about cryptocurrency all the time and not just when I'm at my desk. So yeah, very, very cool. All right, and if this is something that you want to buy, you just go to products here. It's 150 bucks, or you can do 4 payments of 37.49. You can do black or white. And then I have a promo code. So just when you're checking out, put in James15 and you'll get 15 bucks off. I get a certain amount per unit purchased also. So that'll get you 15 bucks off, so it makes it $134.99. Of the LED panels that I have tried out, this one is by far the best and easiest to set up. So big shout out to Passive Income Coach. I know he's put a lot of work into making this happen. So a little bit of a different video for you today. I hope this was helpful. Appreciate all you guys. Please do hit like and subscribe, and hope you all have a great rest of your day.